Welcome to how to create a recipe in MyFitnessPal. Creating a recipe in MyFitnessPal can be useful when you're trying to take a recipe or a meal you're about to make and it has a bunch of different ingredients sort of meshed in. And we got to figure out how much macros are in there, what kind of macros, the whole bit. Likely, this isn't something you're going to be using very often, but I think you'll find it useful when you're looking at doing things like your grandmother's cookies or a casserole, or maybe it's your homemade chili. But for now, we're going to look at examples. So let's dive in. So let's take a look at our example. First, we're going to open up MyFitnessPal app on your phone. From there, you're going to go down to the bottom right-hand corner and click More, and then look for My Meals, Recipes, and Foods. From there, let's go down to Create a Recipe. Click that, and you'll notice you've got two options there. The first one is Add from the Web. This feature allows you to download ingredients from the web. If you've got a recipe that you found that you just want to download and make edits to, or make it your own. The second one is just where you can enter ingredients manually. And this can be done, obviously, if you've just got your own recipe that you want to be custom to you. Either way are fine, and both are beneficial. So we're gonna look at my chili as an example. We're gonna click on Jana's Turkey Chili, and the first thing you see there is it wants you to give it a title. And secondly, I'll tell you, serving size is actually gonna be the kicker here when trying to figure out how many macros are in a gram of your chili, so that when you eat 20 grams one day and 120 grams another, it's gonna do all the math for you and make it super simple. For serving size, we're gonna use the entire weight of the pot of chili. And here's a pro tip. Weigh the bowl or pot that you're making your dish in before you make it. That way you can subtract it out after you've already prepared your dish, and you don't have to go back and transfer it. After we finish our serving size, now it's time to enter our ingredients. Right now, MyFitnessPal offers the option to bulk enter all of your ingredients. This is a really cool feature and a total time saver. So if you can copy and paste your ingredients into that list, then it will go out and find all of them for you and pull them in. It then gives you the option to go in and edit afterwards, so you can make changes to anything that it might have imported incorrectly. If you choose to manually enter your ingredients, that's fine too. Just go to the next page to do that, enter your ingredients manually, and do the best you can to find comparable items that are in your dish. Once you get your ingredients entered, measured out, now you're ready to enter it in for the day. So to enter your recipe, you're now gonna go in your diary, add food. And you'll see at the top it has My Recipes. You can then click your recipe that you just created and then enter the amount of servings that you're about to consume. The good news here, folks, is that this is already done for you. You don't have to do it again, and it's up there forever. If you have any other questions about how to do this, feel free to reach out to your coach.